What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this right here. This is the Revodok Max, and it's a 13-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 dock. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. As far as what comes in the box here, you're gonna get the Revodok Max unit itself. You're gonna get your Thunderbolt 4 cable right here. You're going to get a power adapter. It is pretty thick, and it's included power cable here as well, and you will get a full set of instructions. Now, as we take a closer look at the Revodok Max here, the first thing I realized when I picked it up is that it's made of metal, which is really nice. It's really heavy duty. I really like that this whole thing is made of metal, has a great look to it as well. Now, this is a 13-in-1 docking station. Like I said, it is Thunderbolt 4. So right here on the front, we have our power button right here at the top and a little indication LED to let you know that it is powered on. We have an SD card slot and a TF card slot right here. Great that these are on the front because it's going to be really easy to access. We also have an audio jack there for a headset. So again, nice that it is on the front. We have two USB 3.2 Type A ports right here, and then a USB 3.2 Type C port. Now, the cool thing about this Type C port, it has 20 watts of power delivery as well. So if you were going to connect something like your phone to it, it will support fast charging right here on the front, which is great. Now, moving on to the back here, we have the rest of our connections here. So this port right down here, this is your Thunderbolt 4 port, or this is the port that's going to connect to your PC, laptop, or Mac, of course, with the included cable. Now, the nice thing about this port is that it also provides 90 watts of power delivery. So if you are using something like a laptop, it's going to charge your device as well, which is really awesome. Now, right next to that, we have two Thunderbolt 4 Type C ports. Now, these ports will support displays, either dual 4K 60 Hz or a single display at 8K 30 Hz. So these, of course, can daisy chain. You can do all that stuff with these Thunderbolt 4 ports. Now, right next to that, you have a display port here for display as well. So with this, you can do, again, a single display at 8K 30 Hz, or you can mix and match with a Thunderbolt 4 and do, two displays at 4K 30 or 4K 60 Hertz. So you can do that there as well. And then we have two USB 3.0 Type A ports. We have Ethernet here. And the great thing about this Ethernet port, it's 2.5 gig. It's not the 1 gig that you're normally used to. So 2.5 gig there. So if you have something really fast internet at home, you can really take advantage of that with this. And then, of course, we have our power adapter here, our power connection for the power adapter right there as well. And there are feet on this. So you have feet here. So if you want to put it, upright like this, you can go ahead and do it. But there's also feet on this side as well. So you can set it down like this. When it's all said and done, I really like this dock. One, it's going to be Thunderbolt 4. So you're going to get really fast speeds. A lot of these docks are only USB, which means you're limited on speed. You're also limited on connectivity and daisy chaining. So with Thunderbolt 4, you get really fast connectivity, you get power delivery, you can daisy chain devices, you can do all that stuff with Thunderbolt 4. So that's why I really like this. I also like that they kind of separated the connections from the front and the back. The things that we would, use the most are on the front, like the audio connection, your card readers, and some USB, and the USB with power delivery. And then on the back, you have everything else. This thing is really well built as well, all metal construction, which is really nice. So if you are looking for a Thunderbolt 4 dock, this is one that I would definitely recommend.